here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with Giovanni, who's making something I don't even know what you're making.
It's a surprise, Lil.
Surprise.
We're making cauliflower and radicchio salad. What I did here is I took one head of cauliflower and just cut it into florets, right? And I boiled it for a little bit and I cooled it for a little bit. So we're gonna take this, we're gonna throw it right into this bowl here. I'm gonna cut this down the middle. You see that little core there?
Yes.
I'm just gonna take the core out, and I'll cut it in half like that, and then just chunk it just like that. I'm gonna flake them all off, and then just drop it right in. If you wanna cook the cauliflower ahead of time, you can, but I would leave the radicchio for the day off. Put some golden raisins in there, and then pistachios. I'm gonna take some, I'm gonna throw it right in. I'm gonna hit it with a good amount of pepper, some salt, a lot of olive oil, and white balsamic. Not too much. I mean, look at that salad. It's a nice looking salad, right?
I love the colors.
And it's simple, you know, like
Yeah.
in Italy, they do it right.
Ooh, it smells good.
Right? It's that balsamic. It's a nice salad for, you know, spring, summer. And then I'm just gonna top it off with some more pistachio. I mean, look at that, though. Doesn't that look nice?
I mean, that is a ridiculously good radicchio cauliflower salad.
Right? Look at that.
I gotta stop. I'm gonna stop now. But you should go ahead and make this. The recipe's on our website, news12.com. Thanks, Giovanni.
Thank you.